Hello, what's up everyone, this is Akash and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be cleaning the drive chain of my motorcycle. As you can see, it has become really dirty. So first I will clean the surface of the chain with a toothbrush first to remove the sand particles and dirt particles which are on the surface. And then I will use this chain cleaner to clean the chain. You can use kerosene or diesel as well, but I have this, so I will be using this one. I will apply this chain cleaner on every side of the chain and chain sprocket. We will try to do this process in the shortest time possible so that if it is needed to be done by someone while traveling, it can be done. After applying it everywhere, I will let it settle for about 10 to 15 minutes. Since I do not have a pressure wash or a pipe to clean, I will take this bottle and make 3 holes to spray water on the chain. I will now wipe the water on the swing arm, on the rim and the chain guard, and use a brush like this to clean the chain. It can clean 3 sides at the same time, and its other side can help us clean some hard to reach corners. You can use a toothbrush as well, but I will be using this one. Now using this brush, I will try to clean all the sides of the chain and the sprocket properly. Although rotating the wheel with hand and cleaning is a little bit of a time consuming and slow process, never start the engine and put it in gear to rotate the wheel or the chain, because if something goes wrong and your finger or hand goes inside the sprocket or chain, it will cause serious injuries. Now since the brush cannot clean everything, I will be using this rag cloth to wipe the surface and clean it properly. The chain and the sprocket now looks cleaner than before, but if you look here, you can see that the black greasy part near the chain is still there. It might require some additional hard cleaner or hard brush to clean it off, but since our motive was to clean the chain in a short period, we have done it. But if you want to clean it even more, you can use a harder brush or some more cleaner or kerosene or diesel to clean it even more. Now I will lube the chain with this chain lube. You can use any kind of chain lube. I am using this one. I will spray it on both sides of the chain and the sprocket, but do not over lube the chain or the sprocket. Wiping off the excess spray on the swing arm. The chain looks well lubed on both sides, as you can see. My motorcycle is a little bit dirty, so if you do this process after a pressure wash, it will have the best results. And that's how you clean and lube a drive chain of a motorcycle. Thank you for watching.